Children, as you already know that there are 7 days in a week. How many days? There are 7 days in a week. Okay. First day is Monday. The spelling of Monday is M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. The spelling of Wednesday is W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. And the seventh day means the last day of the week is Sunday. Okay. Now we will see question number 7 according to it. Here complete the names of the days of the week. Here we will see two sums. Question number 7. First we will see E part of this. Blanks are given, blank, then R is written, then again blank, then D is written, blank, then Y is written. Okay. So we will complete this spelling. This is the spelling of Friday. So we will write F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. This is the spelling of Friday. Now we will see G part of this. Spelling is given, S is written already, then blank, then N is written, then two blanks are given, then Y. Okay. So we have to complete here spelling of Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. So you will complete. I hope you have completed this bookwork. Now we will see question number 8, fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, you have to fill the blanks according to the questions. Now question number 8, here we will see A part of this. Question is Friday comes before. Here Friday is written, here you have to find out Friday comes before which day. So it is written before Saturday, so it is before Saturday. So what will be the answer? Friday comes before Saturday. The spelling of Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Now let's see one more. Here we will see G part of this. If yesterday was Saturday, children, here you have to imagine that yesterday was Saturday, what day is it today? If yesterday was Saturday, then what will be the day today? It will be Sunday. So what will be the answer here? Answer will be Sunday. The spelling of Sunday is S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Clear? Now we will see months of the year. Children, as you know, one year has 12 months. First month is January and the last month is December. So we will write all months. First month is January. The spelling of January is J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. March, M-A-R-C-H, March. After March, what will come? April. After April, the spelling of April is A-P-R-I-L, April. M-A-Y, May. J-U-N-E, June. Number 7 is July, J-U-L-Y, July. August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. 10th month is October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. 11th month is November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. And 12th or last month is December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. So children, these are the months name from January to December. January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. Here you can see which is the third month of the year. March is the third month of the year. As you know children, all months are having days. Few months are having 30 days and few are having 31 days. Only February is the month which has 28 or 29 days. So how we will find out which month has 30 days and which month has 31 days? So make a fist of your hand, then look at these knuckles. These knuckles are days, these knuckles are for 31 days and the gap between two knuckles are with 30 days. Okay. So how we will count? We will start counting from January. So first when we count January, it is coming on knuckle. So in January there are 31 days. As I told you, only February month is there which has 28 or 29 days. 28 or 29. Now we will count March. It is coming on knuckle. So how many days it has? It has 31 days. April is coming between this gap of two knuckles. So April has 30 days. After April, we will count May. It is coming on knuckle. So it has 31. So other days you will count like this. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. It will come and here and again you will start counting from this side. So August will come on this knuckle. So these 2 months are having 31 days. Now September has 30 days. October has 31. November has 30 and December has 31 days. I hope you have understood children. And February, as I told you, ki these months have days 30 or 31 or February is having only 28 and 29. So when we will total all these days, then we will get that a month has, then we will get a year has 365 days. Okay, how many days? 1 year equal to 365 days. And how many weeks? Each month has 4 weeks and 1 day and few days. So when we will count the weeks of all months, then it will come 1 year equal to 52 weeks and 1 day. Okay. Children, when February has 29 days, February has 29 days in a leap year. When leap year will come? Leap year will come after every 4 years, or you can say the year, when we divide the year by 4, when it will divide completely, that year will be leap year. Okay. So February has 29 days in a leap year. So I am writing here, in leap year February has 29 days. Okay. And when month is increasing here in February, then in year also 1 day increase. So in the whole year, how many days will be there? In leap year, total days will be 366 days. Clear? Now we will see question number 9. Complete the names of the months. Here, just like the days, you have to complete the names of the months. Now we are doing question number 9. Here we will do E part of this. Spelling is M is written, then dash, then Y is written. Which spelling will be this? This is May. So we will write A in the gap, in the given blank space. Okay. So what is the spelling of May? It is M-A-Y, May. Now let's see one more. Here we will see J part. Okay. Question number 9, J part. O is written, then 2 blanks are given, then again O is written, B is written, then 1 dash is given, then R. So this is the spelling of October. And what is the spelling of October? We have to write after O, C, T, O is written, B is written, then E, R. So what is the spelling of October? O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Now children, we will do question number 10, match the columns. Here 2 columns are given, column A, column B. Few dates are given, special dates are given, and few days are given in front of them. So we have to match the name of the days in front of the given dates. So we will see question 10. First we will see A part of this. 26 January is written. Children, what we celebrate on 26 January? We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January, and Republic Day is written on 3rd number. So in front of 26 January we will write number 3. Okay. Now let's see one more. F is given 2nd October. Children, what we celebrate on 2nd October? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, and Gandhi Jayanti is written on number 4. So we will write number 4 in front of this. Clear? Now this is all about months of the year. Here you can find out, if you know the name of the months, then you can find out which month comes before which month. Here you can see which month comes before August. July comes before August. Which is the third month of the year? March is the third month of the year. Which is the last month of the year? December is the last month of the year. You can do this, you can solve the sum like this. How many days September has? September has 30 days. Okay. Now children, we will see question number 11. Solve these word problems and show the time in the clocks. You have to show the time in the clock also, and you have to solve the word problems also. The question is, Ravi starts his lunch at 11. He takes 30 minutes to finish the lunch. At what time does he finish? So children, 30 minutes after 11 is 30 minutes after 11 is 11:30. Okay. Ravi finished at 11:30. Clear children? Now we will draw the hands of the clock. So here minutes are given 30. So our minute hand will be on 6, means the longer hand will be on 6, and the hour is 11. So what we will do? We will draw shorter hand between 11 and 12, because it has crossed 30 minutes after 11. So time is 11:30. Your clock should be like this. Now let us see one more sum. A movie start, now we will see C part of this. A movie starts at 12. If it runs for 2 hours, what time will it end? So children, after 12 we will count 2 hours. After 12, 1 and 2, because clock has only number till 12. So after 12 we have to count 1 and 2. So which time movie will end? Movie will end at 2 o'clock. So 2 hours after 12 is 2. Okay. Movie will end at 2 o'clock. So how we will draw it? Minute hand 00 means minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand will be on 2. Hour hand means shorter hand and the minute hand means longer hand. Children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Keep practicing. Thank you.